Good morning, student. And today we are going to discuss the some numerical on the CDF and PDF. Already we have discussed this topic in the unit first. Now today I am going to discuss some numerical on the probability density function and cumulative distribution function. Now the first numerical is determine whether the following function is cumulative distribution function f is equal to 0 for x less than a, 1 upon 2 x plus a plus 1 for x less than equal to a and greater than equal to minus a, and 1 for x greater than a. Okay. This is the numerical. Determine whether the following function is cumulative distribution function or not. Here, this is the cumulative distribution function defined in three interval, that is x less than equal to a, its value is equal to 0, and this 1 upon 2 bracket में x upon a plus 1 for x greater than equal to minus a and less than equal to a, and that is 1 for x greater than a. Now in this numerical we have to prove that the function already written on the board is cumulative distribution function. Okay, for that we have to discuss one more quantity, probability density function हमने discuss किया हुआ है, और उसमें ये discuss किया हुआ है कि what is the relation between the probability density function and cumulative density function. Now in this numerical, first of all relate this cumulative distribution function in the term of the PDF, that is probability density function. Now use the properties of the probability density function, and finally if this function satisfy the probability condition of the probability density function, then we can say that this function also satisfy the condition for the cumulative distribution function. Okay, now solution. So first of all convert this one into the PDF. हमें इस न्यूमेरिकल को इसको हमें पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. फिर बाय यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द पीडीएफ वी आर डिस्कस दैट कि इफ दिस इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई द पीडीएफ, then we can see that it also satisfy the properties of the cumulative distribution function. Okay, we know that we know that pdf in term of CDF means f is equal to d by dx of fxx. We know that if you differentiate the CDF we get the PDF, हमने वही राइट किया हुआ है, and also we know the PDF represented in the form of the small f and the CDF represented in the form of the capital F. Okay, this is the relation. By using the relation, this function converted into the PDF. Okay, now simply differentiate all the term here and we get the PDF. Now the PDF f of x is equal to, the PDF will be, if you differentiate 0 we get 0, means 0 for x less than a. And if you differentiate these term, if you differentiate these term, आप differentiate करेंगे with respect to x, and we get uh, 1 upon 2a for for x greater than equal to minus a and less than equal to a. And if you differentiate 1, this is a constant value, differentiate करेंगे इसकी वैल्यू 0 होगी, 0 for x greater than a. Okay, simply हमने क्या किया, by using this relation of the relation between the CDF and PDF, convert this CDF quantity into the PDF. This is the PDF. Okay, now for the function to be PDF, there are two conditions. First one is PDF always greater than equal to 0, and second one, if you integrate PDF from minus infinite to infinite, we get 1. These are two conditions. If this function satisfy these two conditions, then we can say this function is PDF. Okay, now one by one take the condition and satisfy the condition. If this function satisfy these two conditions, then we can say that the function is PDF. Okay, then what we have to do, if we see on the PDF, the first condition is that this quantity fx is always greater than equal to 0. Now if you take these two relation, that is 0 for less than a, and that is for greater than a is also 0, and this term 1 upon 2a does not depend upon the x, means this is a constant quantity. We can say that this quantity is always greater than equal to 0, means first condition, first condition fx greater than equal to 0 is satisfied. Okay, now for second condition, minus infinite to infinite, f, we have to calculate this one here, dx is also here, dx is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to, now break this summation in the three part, because according to the given PDF there is the three duration for x less than a, for x between the minus a to a, and for x greater than a, means that is from minus infinite to a, f of x dx plus minus a to a, f of x dx plus a to infinite f of x dx. Okay. Now put the function in all the three summation. We know that that is from x less than a. For x less than a, the value of this one is equal to 0, minus infinite to minus a, 0 into dx plus minus a to a, the function will be 1 upon 2a into dx plus a to infinite, the function will be 0 into dx. Simply here आई विल प्ले हमने जो प्लेस किया हुआ है, हमने सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये फंक्शंस की वैल्यू प्लेस किया हुआ है इन ऑल द थ्री ड्यूरेशन, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म एंड थर्ड टर्म. मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी 0 प्लस if 1 upon 2a is constant and integration of dx is simply x and limit is from minus a to a plus this will be also 0. Now is equal to 1 upon 2a plus if we place the limit here, we get a minus minus a, that is 1 upon 2a into 2a is equal to 1. Means finally here we get minus infinite से infinite, we get f x dx is equal to 1. We can say the function is PDF, then this also satisfy the condition for function to be CDF. तो फाइनली हियर वी कैन से दैट जो हमने फंक्शन, जो हमारा जो न्यूमेरिकल दिया गया था, न्यूमेरिकल में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारा वो फंक्शन क्या है, वो CDF है. तो डायरेक्टली हमने प्रॉपर्टी CDF का नहीं यूज किया है, बट इन दैट न्यूमेरिकल first of all convert this it into the PDF, that is probability density function, and apply the two condition of the probability density function and satisfy on the function satisfy the two condition, then we can say that the given function satisfy the properties of the PDF, then this function also satisfy the properties of the CDF. So this is your first numerical. Second numerical, determine the constant k such that the function f(x) given by the expression 1 upon k in the duration greater than a and less than b, and 0 elsewhere, is a probability density function. Also find the cumulative distribution function of the random variable x if k satisfies the condition for f(x)(x) to be a probability density function. This is your numerical. Determine the constant k such that the function fx already written on the board, that is 1 upon k in the direction when x greater than a and less than b, and 0 elsewhere, is a probability density function. Means this f(x)(x) is a probability density function. And also find the cumulative distribution function of the random variable x if k satisfies the condition for fx to be the probability density function. Means first of all, this numerical consists two part. In first part, first of all calculate the value of the k if this function is the pdf, and then after using the value of the k, if this case satisfy the condition for the function to be the pdf, then calculate the value of the cdf. Okay. Now the first part, we know that we know that the function to be pdf minus infinite से infinite f of x dx is equal to 1. This is your second property. इस properties को use करेंगे. Now simply place the value of function in this limit, and we get this 1 upon k defined only in the interval between the a to b. Now the limit minus infinite to infinite, it changes from a to b, and f x 1 upon k and this dx is equal to 1. हमने सिंपली ये प्रॉपर्टीज को हमने यूज किया. वी नो दैट द फंक्शन टू बी द पीडीएफ, देन the function fx minus infinite to infinite dx is equal to 1. Now simply place the value of fx, that is 1 by k, and it defined in the interval from a to b and 0 elsewhere. Now integrating this one, after integrating we get 1 upon k is a constant, and if integrate dx, that is we get the value of x and place the limit a to b, and this is equal to 1. Now k, if you placing the limit, we get b minus a is equal to 1, and finally we get k is equal to 1 upon b minus a. This is your first part. This is the first part. In this we calculate the value of the k, and given by k is equal to 1 upon b minus a. Sorry, there is a one mistake here. 1 upon k and b minus a is equal to 1. Simply after solving we get k is equal to b minus 1. This is relation. Okay. तो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट पार्ट. हम डिस्कस कर दिया कि फर्स्ट पार्ट कैसे हमें करना है. हमने सिंपली प्रॉपर्टीज को यूज किया पीडीएफ के, उसको हमने वैल्यूज को प्लेस किया हुआ है, and then simply integration, there is integration and put the value limit, and finally we get k is equal to b minus a. This is your first part. Now write here the value of k is equal to b minus a. Okay, we know that CDF is given by CDF is equal to minus infinite to x we know that if we integrate the PDF we get CDF, but here that is limit from, that is minus infinite to x here. Okay, now we know that if we see the function PDF is defined only between the a to b, that is for x less than x greater than equal a and less than equal to b. Here the maximum limit is x, then lower limit here minus infinite. Now according to the numerical, according to this part, here the limit minus infinite change from a to x, and this fx 1 upon k into dx. Okay, after that 1 upon k is constant, and here a x dx is equal to 1 upon k. Integration आप करेंगे, simply we get the value x, and here the limit x and a, and we get is equal to 1 upon k. After placing the limit we get x minus a, and also after placing the value of the k we get x minus a upon b minus a. This is the value, or this is the value of the CDF. ओके, सिंपली CDF के लिए हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है जो हमने राइट किया हुआ है. एंड ऑल्सो सिंपली we know that if we integrate the PDF we get CDF. हमने वो किया हुआ है, हमने लिमिट को चेंज किया हुआ है अकॉर्डिंग टू द given condition in the numerical. Now there here is the simple integration, and also at last place the value of the k, because according to the question here write also find the cumulative distribution function of the random variable x if k satisfies the condition for fx to be the probability density function. तो जो हमने k की वैल्यू फाइंड किया हुआ है वो हमें k की वैल्यू में यहाँ प्लेस करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, फॉर द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ द CDF. तो दिस इज योर second numerical. It consists of the two part, and in first part we have to calculate the value of the k, in second part calculate the value of the CDF. Okay. Third numerical, determine whether the function given by the expression f x x is equal to 0 when for x less than 2 and 1 upon 18 3 plus 2x for x greater than 2 and less than 4, and 0 for x greater than 4 is probability density function okay. दिस इज योर थर्ड न्यूमेरिकल. ये आपका फंक्शन गिवन दिया हुआ है बाय द एक्सप्रेशन एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 फॉर देयर इज 3 इंटरवल दैट इज फॉर एक्स लेस देन 2 and 1 upon 18 3 plus 2x for x greater than 2 and less than 4, and 0 that is for x greater than 4 is a probability density function. Okay, now its solution, we know that the function to be PDF, there are two conditions is to be satisfied. First one is f of x greater than equal to 0, and second one is the if we integrate this function minus infinite to infinite is equal to 1. These are two conditions. If this function satisfy these two conditions, then we can say that the given function is a probability density function. Now first of all check the first condition, means this quantity is always greater than equal to 0. If we take this one, first one, means for x less than 2 the value is equal to 0, means this line satisfy this condition. Second one, here x belongs to 2 to 4, means here x is always a positive quantity. Then if we place x in here, the overall the value is positive for the positive value of the x, means second line also satisfy the condition of this one. Now third one, for x greater than 4 the value is equal to 0, means this is also satisfy the condition this one, means we can say that in all the three interval the function satisfy the first condition. Okay, means this condition is satisfied. Now for second condition we have to integrate from minus infinite to infinite this one. If its value is equal to 1, then we can say that this fxx is the PDF function. Now for second condition, for second condition minus infinite to infinite f of x dx is equal to minus infinite से 2 x dx plus 2 to 4. Now is equal to, this is value 0 in this interval, this value is 0 plus 2 to 4 1 upon 18 3 plus 2x dx. Now in this interval this is 0, for this overall value is equal to 0. Now here 1 upon 18 is common out, and if integrate this one we get 3 plus 2 x square by 2 and limit is from 2 to 4. 1 upon 18 is common out, and 3 का 3x and 2 का 2x square upon 2, this is cancel out, and finally we get the relation is equal to 1 upon 18 in bracket 3x plus x square, and here the limit 2 to 4. Now placing the limit 1 upon 18, 12 plus 16 minus 6 minus 4. Or this is equal to, after solving this one we get 18 upon 18, we get 1, means after solving we get minus infinite to infinite f of x dx is equal to 1. This is your second condition, means here both conditions are satisfied, then we can say that the given function is PDF. This is your third numerical. Now, question number 4. A random process provides measurement x between 0 and 1 with the probability density function PDF given as fxx is equal to 12 x cube minus 21 x square plus 10x for x less than 1 and greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. Determine the following first probability of random variable when x less than equal to 1 by 2 and probability when x greater than 1 by 2, and second point, obtain a number k such that p less than equal to k is equal to 1 by 2. Now, this is your complete numerical. A random process provides the measurement x between 0 to 1 with the probability density function. ये आपका probability density function दिया हुआ है. It define it in the interval between 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Now we have to determine the following one. This for probability of the random variable when less than equal to 1 by 2, and the probability x greater than 1 by 2, and also obtain a number k such that the probability of random variable less than equal to k is equal to 1 by 2. You already given है. Now first of all calculate this one. We know that we know that probability of random variable when greater than equal to two dummy variable x1 and x2 is equal to integration from x1 to x2. ये आपका एक प्रॉपर्टी होता है, ठीक है. अगर हमें किसी रैंडम वेरिएबल का दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में अगर हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी को फाइंड करना है तो सिंपली वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट द पीडीएफ फंक्शन फ्रॉम x1 to x2 and we get the probability between these two variables. Okay, now for the first part here, the probability for x less than equal to 1 by 2 means here is limit from minus infinite to 1 by 2 f of x dx. But according to the question, this fx is defined only between the starting from the 0, means here minus infinite change from 0 to 1 by 2 f of x dx. Now this probability converted into this one. Okay, now write fx here. Okay, now after that is equal to means from here 0 1 upon 2 12 x cube minus 21 x square plus 10x dx. Okay, is equal to, after integrating we get 12 x to the power 4 upon 4 minus 21 x cube upon 3 plus 10 x square upon 2, and having the limit 0 to 1 by 2. This will be cancel out 7 and this will be 5. Now we get is equal to 3 x to the power 4 minus 7 x cube plus 5 x square is equal to 3 into 1 upon 2 power 4 minus 7 1 upon 2 to the power 3 plus 5 1 upon 2 square. We get 3 upon 16 minus 7 upon 8 plus 5 upon 4. After solving we get LCM 16, 3 minus 14 plus 20 means here we get 9 upon 16. This 9 upon 16 is the probability of the random variable when x less than equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 by 16. Okay, this is your फर्स्ट पार्ट का पहला जो फाइंड करना था वो रहा. नाउ we have to calculate one more relation, that is probability of random variable when greater than 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 1 by 2. This is the property of the probability कि अगर ये होने की probability अगर वो है तो उसको ना होने की probability क्या मीन्स उसका complement आपको निकालना है. Simply we have to simply subtract that one. Okay, that is 1 minus 9 upon 16 is equal to 7 upon 16. ठीक है, this is your part second of the first question. Means probability of x less than equal to 1 by 2 9 by 16 and greater than equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 16. Okay, now last second part, obtain the number k such that for p x greater than equal to the k and is equal to the 1 by 2. ये values आपकी ये given है. Now for the second part, now for this part, probability of x less than equal to k is equal to 0 to k f of x is equal to 1 by 2. 0 to k, this 12 x cube minus 21 x square plus 10 x dx is equal to 1 by 2. Means according to this one, ये हमारा जो है दिया हुआ है, एक हमने जनरल वैल्यू k ले लिया हुआ है, हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और इन दैट की the probability up to that value of the k will be equal to the 1 by 2. Then what will be the value of the k? Okay, I think so आप लोगों ने ये कर लिया होगा. is equal to, सिंपल इंटीग्रेट करेंगे इसको, 12 इंटू एक्स टू पावर 4 अपॉन 4 माइनस 21 एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 3 प्लस 5 10 s square upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here limit 0 to k 3 x to the power 4 minus 7 x cube plus 5 x square. Here is limit from 0 to k is equal to 1 upon 2. Now place the limit 3 k to the power 4 minus 7 k cube plus 5 k square is equal to 1 by 2, and there is a cross multiplication, we get 6 k to the power 4 minus 14 k cube plus 10 k square minus 1 is equal to 0. ये एक आपका इक्वेशन बन गया। नाउ ये इक्वेशन बन गया। अभी इक्वेशन को आपको सॉल्व करना है, फिर हमें वैल्यूज को फाइंड करना है, और हमें खासकर ये ध्यान देना है तो हमारी जो k की वैल्यू होगी वो 0 से 1 के बीच में होनी चाहिए। मीन्स आफ्टर सॉल्विंग हियर द डिग्री ऑफ द 4 मीन्स देयर इज द 4 रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन। ठीक है, वी हैव टू केयर अबाउट दैट कि हमें वो वैल्यू कंसीडर करनी है जो 0 से लेके 1 के बीच में लाई करे। नाउ आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी गेट, आफ्टर solving we get k is equal to 0.453। सॉल्व करेंगे एंड वी गेट दिस वन, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 2। तो आज के लेक्चर में हमने न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस किया ऑन द पीडीएफ एंड सीडीएफ। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे टॉपिक। ओके, थैंक यू।